Hello friends, this is Android Tips YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Ask Question features on Instagram story. Before we get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for latest videos of Android tips. So let's get started. So this is my Instagram account, so I'll show you how to use Ask Question features on your story. So first thing, you need to tap here and it will open up your camera, and then you can either click the picture or you can take it from your gallery. So I will just select this picture, then it will show up like that, and then just tap here, tap here, and then you can see here questions options. So just tap here and then you can write. Okay, let me write, how are you all doing in this COVID-19 lockdown? So done. You can see you can change the color. You can change the color from here. You can change the color from here. You can see, so it's done. So you can just post it from here. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video.